Hello the Queen, welcome to my Primark haul. So I managed to finally complete the Primark shopping because the problem is the fitting rooms are not available, so you cannot actually try things in the shop. You have to take everything that you bought home, try it on at home, and then if something doesn't fit you, then you have to go and bring it back. I wanted to tell you that mostly the things that I have bought was a swimming suit or pajamas or jeans, because I never had any jeans, but me and my sister have decided that actually it would be good to try the mom's jeans. So I got the trousers in here that could be fitting into that part, and I'm sorry that they're a bit creased, but I've just washed them. So they are literally the straight trousers. There are high waist trousers with they are ripped trousers. They're straight. They're not they're not the slim trousers. They're not skinny. Sorry, they're not skinny trousers, but they're not wide at the bottom. They're just normal trousers, and I love them because when I wear well-fitted top, it actually looks amazing because it proportions. I've got really big boobs, so it's sort of, when I straighten out, it's just, I love it. I love it. My favorite absolute item of all time, like with my figure, it's really hard for me to, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's really hard for me to get out there in a swimming suit. I don't feel confident at all. But when I tried this swimming suit, so this swimming suit has those little, I don't know what you call it. What you call it, right? I don't know what it's called, but it basically has that piece of material in here, you know, flopping around. So it does, that swimming suit, it does not fit you so much, like it's not like it doesn't fit you, but it's not so tight. That's the right word. It's not so tight, and because that is a bit flimsy, that part, your proportions around your stomach are a bit more balanced. So when I wear it, we tried it on to those trousers, and oh my god, it's a bomb. So I might be wearing this as a swimsuit, or I might be wearing this as a actual top, like a body top, you know. So that was, I think, £12, and the trousers were £20. Another thing that I absolutely love, as you have noticed, there's a lot of green colors going on in my life, like I've got a green top, is this pajama set. So this is the top. I was looking for some summer pajamas because I still have onesies in my, like, I've put them away now, but when I was buying those things, I was wearing onesies at night, and I'm like, I'm just getting too hot. It is getting cooler now, but I think it's just the last bits of cooler weather now, so it should be fine. So this is the shorts, and this is the top. I'm not gonna try it on because it's a pajama. You probably can imagine how pajama looks like, but the color and the pattern on it is beautiful. Look at that. Like, I absolutely love it. It has a little bit of lace on the top. I think the set, from what I remember, it was pound, because it's a set. It's not being sold separate. So if you like this shorts, you have to buy the top, and it's £7 altogether. I found okay, so none of my bottoms, like the sweatpants or the hoodie, they don't match at all. So I told myself that as soon as the pandemic ends, I'm going to Primark, I'm going to buy the matching, like, trousers and hoodies. So I've got that hoodie that says "Stay Strong." It's a hoodie. I love the color, by the way. This is one of my favorite colors. I love it. The lilac, absolutely amazing. And I've got the matching pants for it. Really comfortable. Just the only thing that I'm having a bit of a problem is that they have a bit of a teddy in here, like a teddy, when you've got winter clothes, like winter leggings, and they've got that sort of thingy, like the warm thingy underneath, like the warm material. I think it's supposed to keep you warmer, but like, to me, now it's summertime, and I wish this sports suit was a little bit lighter, like, just, not this, I mean, it's not fake, but like, as I said, the material underneath is supposed to keep you warmer, and that was the trousers were £5, and from what I remember, the top, the hoodie, was I don't remember how much, but I think it was £7. It was £7 or £5. And if you like that, I would recommend you to rush to Primark as soon as possible, because when I went the last time to return last bits and pieces, they weren't there anymore. So you might still find it in your Primark, but I would recommend you to move your ass. Another thing that I've bought is the top. I love those tops. I've been buying them for the last 5 years and I absolutely love them. So I bought the white one because I thought it would really go well with those. Look at those. Oh my god, amazing. I can't wait to wear it. It looks amazing. Like if you're gonna have like literally golden jewelry, that top, you're gonna be suntanned. It's gonna look amazing. And those tops are usually dead cheap and they look amazing. They look super expensive because they're not just the basic tops. They are sort of basics, but they're elegant basics, if you know what I mean. Like the basics, they're a little bit like a pajama, but they're not pajama because the material they're being made of is definitely not for the pajama. And it was £4, dead cheap. And you've got top that literally does everything for you, you know. It's beautiful. So I've got a similar top in this color that I've also bought. It was on my, you know, that one. It's a bit of a salmon, is that how you say, salmon pink, you know, a bit of a peach pink, that sort of stuff. It's exactly the same top, it's just a different color. It's also £4. So that's the top, and I think you will look amazing. Like, I prefer white, but that one is also super cool. Like, I really love it. If we're talking about tops, I also bought the basic tops, but not in a black or white color like I usually do, because I'm wearing the jeans, like those mom jeans. I want to wear like a really tight top, not like a really, like not too tight, but do you know what I mean? But I want to wear these, and I want to wear a tight top underneath, like, you know, and I want to wear this on top, so it basically looks like that. And so it really rounds my, like, it really causes that, because my shape is up, I've got an apple shape, so I basically have no waist. But if I have a tight top on when I've got big boobs and I wear those very like straight jeans, then it gives you of an illusion that I have waist, or my waist is more outlined, if that makes sense. I've also got top like that, the basic top, but in color red, and it has like a spaghetti straps rather than, oh my god, this color looks way better in the camera than it does in real life. Like in camera it looks very bright. It's not that bright. I think it's the light that causes the trick. But it's a spaghetti strap, and with those trousers it looks beautiful. With those jeans, amazing. It's just, I love it. So it's that. Another, I really wish I could find those trousers together with the hoodie, with the matching hoodie. I couldn't find a matching hoodie because I thought it was the last piece that they had and I just wanted to get rid of it. But I do have some like hoodies that could actually match it. They're not exactly the same color, but I can, you know, you can still make a matching outfit that looks really cool, if that makes sense, especially with that sort of is it baby pink, like a pastel pink. And the thing that I love about those trousers, that it says Barbie, it's a Barbie line. So the last bit of my shopping is the trousers. They're a bit skinny. Yeah, there are skinny trousers, right? No, it doesn't say, but they are skinny trousers. They're not too skinny. I would say they're like normal skinny, like they're not too tight. They don't disproportion your figure. And I just want them to have, I just want to have like a normal trousers, not ripped, not the one that are a bit that like they're straight. Just wanted to have that just basically line up with exactly the same way as my legs lie. Because as I said, if I want to wear loose top on the top, if I want to wear top on the like upper part of my body, then it's, you know, it sort of balances out, you know. I've got a tighter trousers or jeans or whatever, but the, you know, that bit is a bit like more loose, if that makes sense. I think that's it for, oh no, wait, I've got a little piece that I wanted to show you that I found really cute. So I bought this sheet mask, As you probably know, Primark has a lot of Mickey Mouse and Disney lines, and I don't usually buy, I used to, but not anymore. I don't usually buy face masks in Primark anymore because you can buy better quality sheet masks for the same or similar price. But I just found this was very, very, very cute, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. So that's the sheet mask. I haven't used it yet, as you can obviously tell, because it's in the package, but I love it. Oh, I forgot about those ones. I've got the ripped black jeans, which was probably not the best idea to buy because I've got I can't wear ripped trousers to work, so that's gonna sound like fun. So that is it, guys. I hope you loved my haul from Primark. As I said, have a look on the section with jeans, have a look on the section with those tops, 100%. Basics, leisure clothing like sweatpants and hoodies, amazing. I think they're really, really good. They're really promising. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, please like this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.